Today, I'll show you how to place a video inside text for a unique and eye-catching effect. This technique is great for title animations, music videos, or even cinematic openers. Let's jump in. First, go to the Titles tab and select a text preset. Drag it onto your timeline. Now, type in your text and make sure to choose a bold font. This ensures the video inside the text is clearly visible. You can resize and position the text as needed. Next, import the video you want to appear inside the text. Place it above the text layer on the timeline. This order is important because we want the video to be masked inside the text. Now, click on the video layer, go to the right side editing panel and change the blend mode to darken. Instantly, the video will appear inside your text, creating an amazing effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a video inside text effect in Filmora. It's quick, easy, and perfect for making your edits more dynamic. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.